All right, y'all. So, how's it going? Just wanted to explain what we did here. It's kind of unique to what we do. We do overlanding stuff. You may not know that about us, but here at JK Land, we actually don't just do Jeeps. We do trucks too. This guy is from South Carolina. He called us up and asked us if we would be willing to do a Dirtbox on his Tacoma. So we did the Dirtbox, which is a full canopy. You can actually walk into it. We did the sharper rack. So let's go check out the sharper rack. This is pretty cool. So instead of it being a full rack, it is a short rack so that you can put like storage boxes on here or roto packs, whatever you want to do. So it gives you a lot more versatility because this takes up a lot of space, but you still have so much real estate right here. So this sharper rack actually solves that issue. So instead of you having to buy a full rack and trying to figure out how to fit it underneath here, this is a half rack. And I feel like it really completes the Dirtbox. So Dirtbox is a really good company. All their stuff is really high quality. You do have lights on the side. These come with the Dirtbox. You also get a brake light, and then you got some channels right here so you can actually put more storage here. So let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. This customer did the Alcatraz on the back glass. So the Alcatraz gives you MOLLE panels that you can actually mount more stuff to it. Another cool thing is that you can open up the sides of this, and then you got more storage. Another cool feature about the Dirtbox is you're probably thinking, hey, how am I gonna see anything? Do I need to add lights? No, you don't. You got lights right here on the side. So whenever this opens up, whenever you engage your power bank, this also comes with a power bank, these lights will come on. So you have your visual at night. You also have, he wanted another storage box up against the tailgate. So you have more storage here. So let's go to the other side really quick and check out that other storage bin. So this storage bin is meant to access from the outside as well. And you're probably wondering, can you put an awning on this? Yes, you can. You can put an awning on it. He's gonna be adding that on because he's taking it off of his 4Runner. But another cool thing about the Dirtbox is that you do have a shower station right here. So this does fold out, which I'll show you guys really quick. It's got a nice mechanism right here that locks. It's a quick release. So you pull that, this folds out. It's got hydraulics on it. You put your shower right here, which is pretty cool. So you do have a shower station. These Dirtbox do come with a water tank as well. He didn't want to do that on this one, but you can buy those. So let's get to the main feature of this. Let's see the actual tent. So I'm gonna fold this down really quick. I'm gonna unlatch these. These are quick release as well. That comes out like that. You pop this up. Make sure you grab your little handle right here. Comes with that. So you can actually lift this up. One man. You don't have to have two people to lift that thing up. So that's the full actual tent and everything. Now, there's two ways to get into it. You can get into it from the back of the bed, or if you look inside here, there's actually a ladder. So this ladder comes down, and then this part opens up right there. So you open that up, get in there, and you can actually get into it really easily. You don't even have to come out of your bed if you don't want to. Now this thing is, again, we're gonna go back to the power bank. This right here is how you turn it on. So when you push this button, that engages the whole system so you can actually start charging stuff. And then this actually turns on your lights. So that's how you turn your lights on. So Another cool feature, which we might have to get up in there to see it, but let me put this ladder up. Another cool feature that I really like about this top is that you can actually have a charging station in here which comes with it. So this thing zips up just like a tent. And you do have bars that come out of here. I think they're on the inside. Yeah, they're on the inside. So, yeah, those are your bars inside of there. Those actually hold up this awning right here, so that's like a rain guard. And then, if you hold this down, check this out. You got a power station here as well. And you have lights. You have lights inside of your camper. So this thing's really nice. It's really versatile. You can open up the sides as well. Those can open up. You got some storage up there. And as you guys can see, there's a lot of room in there. And this feels like it's got like memory foam in it or something. Feels really nice. So, and then this actually like locks in place underneath. So you have somewhere to hold this down. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. Let's go ahead and close it all up. Let me show you guys how to close this, and you'll see how easy it is. So you want to go ahead and fold everything down like that. You're going to want to grab this handle again. It's going to be your anchor to pull everything down. So, as you can see, I'm doing this all by myself. I don't need anybody to help me. Then once you get it to like right about there, you want to get up. You actually want to fold all this stuff underneath. Make sure nothing is caught on the sides. Go ahead and fold that over, Thomas. And same on this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that too.
Yep.
All right. Now we got everything in. Just put your little handy dandy handle back in there. And boom, you are done. Simple, easy, not too complicated. Very, very nice system, very well made. You can tell that Dirtbox, their quality control is really, really good. So yeah, if you guys want to get this done, come see our sales team. We got Thomas, Caleb, and myself, and we'll definitely help you guys out with getting you on the trails, getting you out there, go exploring. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for tuning in.